Okay, my friend. Today, we cook cold. What? Bihon with sardines.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Now,
Yummy. Let's go.
let's go. Start the butin.
Let's get it in.
Let's get it on.
Go.
Oh, what's happened?
What's happening?
Okay,
Okay.
it's already on
Yeah.
fire.
Alright.
Give me the kiwili.
What?
Kiwili. Where's the kiwili?
Kiwili?
Kiwili.
Kiwili, kiwili.
Okay, put at the top of the butin. Now,
And then?
the kiwili, observe, will hot.
Hot. Hot.
After that, in 1 minute, it's already hot.
Hot. Hot.
Wait for my signal. Now, we put the oil, coconut oil,
Virgin.
in the kiwili. Please,
Kiwili.
put the oil in the kiwili.
What?
Kiwili.
Kiwili.
Kiwili. Kawali. Okay, now,
That's right. That's right.
it's okay you, my friend?
Yes.
Okay now?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, now if the oil is already bubble
What?
and we put the onion on the garlic.
Oh.
If the kiwili and the oil will hot,
What?
wait, just wait just wait.
I try, I try.
Or maybe I will put my finger at I will put in the kalaha or kiwili. But you know, now I put my onion and the garlic. I put inside the kiwili with the bubble oil.
What?
You see? I put now.
Wow.
Okay, my friend.
Yummy. Yummy.
Don't close your eyes because this coat is very clear.
What happened? And close your eyes.
You know, my friend, if you close your eyes, you cannot see what did you cook. You know that? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And now, the ingredients, onion and the garlic, it's already, I swallow it
What?
inside the kiwili. You know, my friend?
Yes, swallow it.
Oh, you understand my what is I'm talking about? Talking bihon with sardines. And now,
And then,
and now, ready the sardines, green sardines.
you mix. You mix. Green.
You mix, okay. Please, my friend, you put now. You see? Oh my goodness! Uy, nako! This is good.
Sticky, sticky.
Sticky.
Successful.
Oh, you know?
Cooking.
The sardines is already what we call this
What?
Swallow it.
swallow.
Swallow.
You know that?
Swallow.
How about you,
How about you?
Mr. Tonton Marin?
I see the
I see the
I see your menu is very
good.
good.
So you can help me to swallow,
What?
please.
Swallow.
Now, wow,
Wow.
it's already good. Now we put our magic sarap.
Magic. Yummy.
Put,
You put.
my friend.
Put.
Wow, it's delicious.
What?
Okay, you swallow.
Swallowing.
Swallow again.
Swallowing again.
Okay, that's very nice.
And then.
I'll give me
1 point.
5 points.
5 points.
What for
And
sugar?
you guys?
Sugar.
Okay,
5
my
points.
friend. Okay, friend.
Sugar.
Okay.
With salt.
Swallow again.
Okay, you swallow again. Okay, my friend, we put water
Water.
and
Squilly.
What?
what's quili?
What? Wait. This is kiwili.
Oh, kiwili, that's good. Oh, wow.
Kiwili.
More water or done already?
It's
Very good, my friend. What about you, Marion? What can you say about this kind of
What?
It's okay.
give me. Explain to me. Please explain to me. What can you say about this?
What can you say? Me?
What can you say?
You
Our,
very cook already.
What?
Yummy.
Spelling yummy.
Yummy.
T-I-M-Y.
What?
Mayo. Double M-Y. Damay.
Okay. We with the
What?
water will kulo-kulo or bubble.
Babo.
Is it okay to you, my friend? What about you, my
Wait.
friend Tonton?
Wait 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay. The water is cool, already boiled. And the next, we put our bihon. Special. Bihon.
You already
It's
know.
like-
Okay, Pay. You put now.
You swallow.
What?
Okay.
Swallow na naman.
It's time.
Swallow.
Okay.
It's your turn.
2 minutes before the
How many?
What?
special bihon.
Will what we call this?
What?
No. If the bihon is already thick or smooth. Smooth. Oh. That's the time it's already
Ready
good.
to
Eat.
ready to serve.
Serve.
Wait, my friend.
Oh. What's that?
Yo,
What? Damang.
yo,
Oh.
you make this.
You want to put this lizard? No,
Bihon?
don't put the
What?
lizard. Oh. The lizard is very
Dangerous. Try this first. Ha? Listen.
okay.
So listen.
What's the taste?
Yummy.
It's good.
100%.
How about you,
Yes.
my friend?
It's okay. It's alright.
Oh, you taste.
Huh?
This?
Oh. What's happening? Yummy.
Ready to serve.
You know, my friend, our bihon,
Special
special bihon, it's already done. But I want to tell you that don't forget
Forget
What?
to subscribe.
Subscribe.
our Artistang Mini
Artista Mini.
Yeah.
and please follow.
Follow. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.